What is up, everybody? It's your boy ScrapeProductions here. As you can see, I got the coilover tools. We're gonna go a little bit lower in the rear because the rear don't look. I mean, I like the rear, but it's not low enough. The front is a little bit lower than the back, so I'm gonna just turn it a little bit more in the back to go a little bit lower, and hopefully evens out. And then I'm also gonna do a front lip install. So I'm gonna show you how that's done and how easy it actually is. All right, so I just got done basically finishing up the rear end how I want the coilover set up, but I got the front lip getting ready to be installed. But as I don't know if you can see it clearly, that right there, those are basically like little screw points. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And they give you 12 screws right here. So basically all you need for this is a little Phillips head. These are self-tapping screws, and you basically want to follow those points and basically screw it in, and we can go ahead and get started and put it on. I got the right side lifted up. I don't know if you can see that. But I got that right side lifted up, and we can go ahead and start screwing these in and getting the front lip put on. So hopefully it turns out pretty good. We're probably gonna start from the middle over to the right, since we have this side lifted up, and then we'll switch over to the other side, lift that side up, and finish putting the lip on, and then finally lower the whole car, and it should look pretty freaking good. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the tripod. Alright, so my dad's idea was to basically put the self-tapping screws on the lip itself already. It's not coming out on the other end, but it's barely holding on to where it'll actually stay on. That way when I put the front lip on, then all I have to do is just tap them in and be ready to go. So okay. Ahí está. Pero ya no puedo agarrar suscripción allá con ustedes. ¿Por qué? Porque ya no entra.
Essa é central, Deutschland, no?
¿Se ve mejor? Alright guys, so that's basically the front lip install. Nothing really to it, just a bunch of screws. Got my dad's help. Just helped me hold it up, but that's basically the front lip install. This is how the rear is sitting like. This is the front. And then everything looks pretty good right now. So here's how the front's looking like. I do need to give it a wash. I haven't driven it as much as I should be because clutch is slipping, so got a brand new clutch inside. You seen the video, my last one. And that's basically it for this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That's basically a front lip install. Really nothing to it, just 12 screws. We did have to find one screw. There was 13 holes. I guess I miscounted, but that's basically it. Screw them in, got it ready, and it looks pretty good. I like it so far. Thinking about throwing an APR splitter like right below it. It's like I know APR discontinued the splitter for this body, but there's another splitter that's for this vehicle, the narrow bodies, and I'm thinking about getting one of those to throw below it and putting the rods and all that, because I am trying to take it to the track, trying to get some track time, and take you guys along with me, and hopefully maybe see some of you guys there. I think it'd be pretty cool. But that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.